Is it weenie day or are you just happy to see me? We're gonna need some caffeine today for sure.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. A lot of you have been asking for this in the comments, and we are finally doing it. Proud to bring you the first lake day video of the year. It is currently the night before tomorrow is hot dog day, which I've done videos on in the past. Always a great time. This year it's going to work a little bit differently and most likely better, just because we've had a scheduled Grudge race in the area that kept getting postponed the last couple of weeks due to weather and conditions. So the timing worked out. We're doing them at the same time, same place tomorrow. It's going to be epic. As always, we're going to go show our support for the hot dog event itself. It's for our first responders, so great cause. Watch some sleds go down the drag strip. There are some big ones coming that I've heard. See if we can throw our leg over any of them and put a camera on them. And let's just get into it. It's going to be awesome. It is morning, so let's not waste any time and just get the heck out there.
Nothing crazy, but the 272 in Riot will get us where we need to go today.
Had to stop at JoJo's garage real quick to bring out the real sled. She's beautiful, but that's not the real sled today. Here we go, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo! Now we are cooking. El Jefe gonna bring the heat today. It's a can opener.
Had to stop and get a coffee to go. We're gonna need some caffeine today for sure. Is it weenie day or are you just happy to see me?
The track is looking good though with those guys grooming it. We're gonna give a huge shout out to them at the end. We are actually gonna do this right now real quick. Gotta give a huge shout out to Mark Midori, Rob Smolsky, and the rest of the boys for making this track happen for us. Guys, I promise you they have better things to do than sit in a side-by-side for like 3 days straight grooming and prepping a track. They were the ones who made it happen, the best type of people, and they deserve a huge thank you for it.
There he is. What's up, buddy?
The first hit on the horn button for the year.
This thing's seen it all.
We got them weenies ready.
Yeah. No water.
Me too.
Nice day for it.
I know. What's up, Blake? You running or what? Hopefully. A little bit, pal.
Anybody run yet?
Not yet. We're waiting
What time
on...
are they doing?
Should be like very, very shortly here. Waiting for that to come back so when people start doing hits, he can have the groomer.
There's my guy. You know him from other Lake Day videos. The infamous, the fast Tony Sr. on the Crossfire. Next thing you're going to see is his tail lights. And the first races of the day are starting here.
First pass and more to come. Oh, we got an old triple coming up. Millennium Edition Mach Z. Love to see that. Seniors getting in the mix here. Let's see how the Crossfire does. Gets an old triple and a Thundercat. Triple pulled in the top end, but he held him off for a good long way. Mr. Steven on the red, white, and blue Polaris there. El Jefe has arrived on one cool ride. It's as much a lake and sled party as it is the side-by-sides. Look at these units here. We got a couple of them. Sheesh. All right, I'm a little out of breath because I just helped my buddy move the Ted Genetti sled, but he's coming up here shortly. Oh, and El Jefe's in this mix, so we got a good race coming. Guess not. Guess Joe's just doing his own thing. So Joe is not in the mix, but that horn button sled I just took with Mr. John Stewart on it is going up against Robbie on the Ted Genetti sled. Joe's just getting a feel for that sled is a beast. In the meantime, here's a T-Cat. Chris, YouTube update. What do we have to say to the YouTube?
It's cold. There's probably about, I don't know,
500 people here.
a lot of fast people.
Roberto and Big Bird. I see you guys. Letting the belt cool down a little bit, but what, my God, what a day so far.
Is it recording?
No.
Yep, it is now.
No, hold on. Check my email.
Button left. What? You gonna get my garage door opener? Yeah.
Yeah, it's 100 feet of straight ice. What do you have to say to the YouTube?
Yo, what up? We're having a great day at Hot Dog.
What do you have to say to the
Happy
YouTube?
hot dog.
Nick, good talk. What do you have to say to the YouTube?
It's like 30 degrees out. We're racing sleds on the lake. It's snowing.
Cherry on the top. Cops going down the drag strip with the lights on. Long hair, zero cares. What a freaking day, man.
Good morning, guys. So unbelievable day yesterday. That is by far the biggest turnout I've ever seen at the Hot Dog Day. Mixed in with the drag racing. Could not have asked for a better day. It was one for the books. But this is not over yet. Just got the secret call that some good buddies are bringing some insane sleds to do some testing. We're in the know-how, so we're going to go down there and go check it out a little bit. treat today.
How we looking? How we looking, John boy? How we looking? Yeah, how we looking? How we looking?
You guys know how it goes with racing. I don't want to say something that I shouldn't, but I will say this. Those are by far the two fastest snowmobiles we've ever had on this channel. That first sled that we got the camera on, which is an Outlaw, that is the top fuel equivalent of snowmobile racing. They are the fastest in the world. They're absolutely insane. I'm not going to say timestamps right now, but I will say this. That was a 150 plus mile an hour pass in 500 feet. They're disgusting. That second sled is a new KOT build. I will be on the lookout for that at the next race because that thing is just leaving like an absolute missile. It is sick. First lake weekend in the books though. Had an unbelievable time. As always, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Wheelieees!